Ladies and gentlemen, today is a fantastic day, and it's not just because I got two Ridge wallets in front of me. I actually have a hot piping cup of coffee right over to the side here, which I am thrilled on. But I am super pumped about this one. I have one of the newest colors over here. This is the Forged Ember, which they have in other different color schemes as well. And then over here on this side is for all you ballers out there that want to take it to the next level. This is a 18 karat gold plated Ridge. We're gonna unbox these. We're gonna show you all the features. And just like all my videos, guys, in the description box right below the video, top line is gonna be the link. Once the video is done, if you guys are interested in these products, use my direct link below. It's going to get you 15% off your purchase. Whatever you purchase, doesn't matter. They also have other products like duffel bags, backpacks. They're just most well known for their minimalistic wallets. So check out that link below when the video is done. So I'm going to start with the Forged Ember. Very subtle little logo on the packaging there. So let's get this open. Now also remember, currently filming this, we have Father's Day coming up just around the corner. Depends on when you watch this video. Grab your dad one. These are great gift ideas, great birthday ideas as well. Let's get this slipped out of here. Bada bing. Bada boom. Carry less, live more. And again, they have carbon fiber. Again, look at that link below. I mean, so many different color schemes. Anyway, let's get that out of the way. They give you a little sticker. Slap that on the back of your car, truck, bike, moped, whatever you want to rock these days. Look at that. That is why I chose Forged Ember. Black with some very subtle hints of gray, gunmetal gray with the red. They also have like a blue and a yellow instead of the red. I mean, just dynamite looking. Oh my goodness gracious. That looks really sweet in person. So the red little flakes, let me go ahead and just with my naked eye, as the sun's kind of hitting it coming in the window, and then it's kind of matte like that. That is a beautiful looking wallet. So we got a nice little subtle logo on the top, which is nice. Beautiful color scheme. Some hardware screws right around the corners here. Flipping it over. Now remember, this is RFID blocking and can hold 1 to 12 cards. So we're gonna be putting that to the test. I do have a really thick crypto.com card that's metal. So we're gonna be putting that to the test, of course. So this is your cash strap right here. And that's embedded into the side right here with a very subtle R logo, of course, for Ridge. Now that does give way. We're gonna go ahead and test that with cash. All you ballers out there want to display your nice little wad. And then that's where, of course, we push that up and they just have kind of a fake little card in there right now, right there. Give you an idea of what it looks like. But we're not done with the packaging quite yet. We have ourselves a little tiny little Torx bit screwdriver, manual handheld one there. That's if you want to remove your little screws around the edges. Looks like they give you additional screws, which is really nice. Then they give you what looks to be a little money clip and what looks to be another little nylon band here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And that's it for the box there. Money clip here, if you rather use this one. And then another woven band right here. So you can either slip your money in that way, but most people, what they do is they just fold over their bills, tuck it on in here. Let me grab my money. So don't laugh at me. I didn't pay for it. I love this thing. I have all my gift cards, Costco card, Home Depot cards, insurance cards. This thing is massive. Either A, that, or B, that. Now, when I go to a dinner out, is typically what I do is I open it up. I take out my license, I take out my crypto.com card. Now actually I have a coinbase.com card, 4% stellar cashback rewards. Anyway, this is what you're dealing with. No thank you. So for nights out, this is gonna be the better option. So laying my cash down right here. Now you ballers are gonna have a lot more than myself, but you know, what do we got? We got 50, 60, 75 big ones. Wow. Hey, I'm not complaining. Better than nothing, but you ballers are going to have a little bit more than me. So you fold it over, whatever way you want, this side or this side. Lift it on up, slide it in just like that there. And bada bing, bada boom. When you're ready to go, boom. Now, most of us don't use a lot of cash, but I mean, cash, you know, still is around. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bills. So 7 bills is going to obviously work, but it's going to be a little bit thick. I mean, if you're trying to go minimalistic, then I don't know if you want it, you know, that thick, but, you know, possible if you do want it. pull it out, pay, slip it back in. But let's just say you wanted like a couple like emergency hundreds or whatever. Go ahead and tuck it on in there. You're looking real good. Now for you guys that want to display your cash a little bit better, then I would use the other clip because you're not really getting the display of the bills, if you know what I'm saying. So you're tucking it in, so it's incognito, but if you want to show that 100, you might want to use the other clip. That way, when it's clipped in like this, you would show your dollar amount. Totally up to you. Good to know we have options though. Okay, so I have 6 cards in here right now. One is my crypto.com card, which is metal, which is like pretty much 2 cards in one. Obviously, I won't show that because this is the internet and those are credit card numbers, but you just push up on your cards here and they fold out like this, and then just bring it up, fan it out, but I'll show you what's possible, right? So you just fan it out. Boom, grab your license. Here's my crypto.com card. Again, metal, really nice. Bada bing, bada boom. And then when you're ready to put it back, boom, back into play just like that there. So what happens is they sandwich in between the back portion and the front portion here. So you can pull them all out like that. Open up your little tab. Boom. Slide them in just like that. Boom. Bring them out. Boom, 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 boom. And boom, 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 boom. Back into play like that. Got my cash on the back, 6 cards right here. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more. I'm gonna add a gift card and I'm gonna add my AAA card here and slide them down. So now we have 8 cards in there right now. And one is my metal crypto.com card. I keep telling you about that one because that's technically like 9 cards in there. That's pretty much like all the cards I got. So now the option is this or this. Now don't get me wrong. I love my Louis Vuitton wallet. Once again, I did not pay for this. I love it, but it's humongous. This is really awesome. Okay, Forged Ember passes my test. That is an amazing color scheme right there. Now, we move on to 18 karat gold plated. All right, we're gonna run through this one a little quicker because obviously it's pretty much the same exact concept. I just wanna show you the colors. Now for you ballers, this is the most expensivest one Ridge has. Let's see what we get inside for the most expensive one. Okay, we get our little brochure. We get our sticker again. Ooh, this one, we actually get a microfiber cloth to clean it. I like that. Hoo-hoo! Oh, I'm not just saying that. That is looking real strong. The only thing stronger than that is probably my coffee. Once again, money clip, extra band like we saw on the other one already. We have our tool once again, extra screws, same exact thing. That is gold. Very subtle logo right up here if the camera can pick that up, which is kind of a silver white looking, but it blends in. You can barely even notice that, as you can see. Black screws, flipping it around, black screws all the way around as well. And again, the same sort of band as the Forged Ember. And same concept, of course. Pops out, you pop in your other ones, bada bing, bada boom. If you are wondering, the gold, of course, is all the way underneath as well. And it is nice that the cloth does come with it. The only thing I can think of is that if your hands are a little bit sweaty, let's say, you might have a little moisture on there. If you can see just a little bit, but that's a beautiful finish. I really like that one. Same thing, 1 to 12 cards, RFID blocking technology. Slipping in your cash, just like this here. Well, folks, the wallet's passed my test. The colors are undoubtedly beautiful. Not to mention, as many cards as that can handle right there. That's looking fantastic. I mean, that's a conversation starter, busting this out, and then you pay the bill. I won't show my information again, but then you bust out your crypto.com card and people are like, what is that? Is that a metal card? And you're like, yeah, hey, if you want some cash back rewards in crypto, bada bing, bada boom. By the way, if you are wondering, Coinbase does have their own, but it's definitely not as cool. It's cheap plastic. They give you better rewards back though. If you want to get 15% off your order, whatever colors you want, my code once again is directly below in the description box of the video. You can pick up whatever one you want. You can pick up their other products as well. They have sweet carbon fiber. I'm gonna try to get my hands on some of their other gear as well, like backpacks, duffel bags. They also have keychains, which are super awesome in similar color packages. So check those out below. Also get free shipping on your order. Pick one up for yourself and for your dad coming up for Father's Day. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. algorithm. Also, if you like videos like this, please subscribe. Once again, your direct link and your code is going to be below in the description box. We will see you on the next video, guys. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.